Today I have a microphone, and it's the ELGATO Wave 3. Content creators are well aware of the ELGATO brand, which is currently one of the brands that produce the best equipment for YouTubers and professional content creators. I will bring you about this microphone, the unboxing, demonstrations, tests, comparison with other microphones, reviews and opinions to get to know everything about this microphone. But first, subscribe to the channel because I post new videos every week. You can expect a lot of content produced with this new microphone. Let's move to the upper camera because we are going to open the box. We open it from the top, but there are two stickers which we are going to cut with a blade on both sides. So the box is sealed. Then we pull the flap, we open these flaps and also open this one, and it still comes inside another box, which we are going to pull to take it out. This is just the outer box with the information, and this is the inner box where everything comes. We open this side flap, and let's see everything that comes inside this box. We start with a quick user guide. This side has the product information. On this side, how it works, how it connects, how the control dial works with the control button, one button to mute, the connections, a USB-C connector and a 3.5 headphone jack. Now here we have a little box. I don't know what's in it. I'm going to open it. It's the USB-C cable, which comes rolled up, but also brings something else here. This is an information leaflet in several languages, but there is also something inside this paper. It's the adapter from the boom arm to hold the microphone if you have an external arm for that, which came wrapped in soft paper. ELGATO is reducing the use of plastic. Now, the USB-C cable, I'm going to start by measuring it. I will do that right now, since we are looking at the cable, to see if it's big or small. It seems to be about 2 meters long. It is a USB-A to USB-C cable, and it is USB 2.0. It does not allow USB 3 speeds, only USB 2, because in this connection I see that it only has 4 pins, so it is USB 2. Which we can use for other devices. Let's start by stretching the cable and with the measuring tape from the beginning and measure. If the tape measure is long enough, the cable is long. Let's see, it has 2.5 meters. This cable measures 2.5 meters in length, so it is a long cable. So you can have the microphone a little further from the computer. I will now roll the cable. Before continuing, this 2.5 meter long cable. That's a good size because it's better to have a longer cable than a cable too short, because if you want to use it away from the computer. But let's continue the unboxing. We remove this cardboard part, and underneath here is the microphone. Inside a plastic rigid and well packed against impacts and dust. It is already attached to the base. Let's put it here to see what else is in there. Is there anything else underneath the cardboard? Let's take it out to see, but no, that's everything. It's just a cardboard holder to fit the microphone. ELGATO used cardboard holders to avoid the use of plastic. And that is a good thing. We have the microphone here, which I will show you. Let's open the bag. The bag is sealed with an ELGATO logo sticker to ensure that no one has opened it. I will have to tear it off. I'll try to peel it off carefully, but the sticker is made of paper and glue. And let's take the microphone out of the bag, a plastic bag, and here it is. The ELGATO Wave 3 microphone. It's even bigger than I was expecting. Let's measure it quickly. I'm measuring 15.5 centimeters. It says that it is 153 millimeters, so I'm only 2 millimeters wrong. The microphone is big and the base is heavy, which weighs 305 grams, and as you can see, it's not completely screwed in. Let's now screw it in, and it's properly fixed now. Let's see if the microphone rotates well. Yes, no problem. It even holds itself in various positions. On the sides, screws to tighten the microphone to the support and secure it in the position you want. It also has a button to choose 3 options to control the microphone, headphones or mixing. At the base, this is the base, there is rubber, which when you put on the table and you try to push it, it does not slip. It is very secure on the table. On the top, there is a mute button, a capacitive button. Just press it to turn it on or off, and you don't feel a click, only the light changes. So let's see everything that comes inside the box. Later I will do demonstrations of this microphone, demonstrating how to mount the stand, how to connect it, how to use it, but also the quality of the voice recordings on this microphone. In this first video of the product about the unboxing, here we have the box, we have the microphone, a 2.5 meter USB-A to USB-C cable, a screw adapter for an arm to hold the microphone because it unscrews from this base, a small box, plus a pamphlet with information, a leaflet that is a user guide, and that's all that comes inside the box of the ELGATO Wave 3 microphone, a professional microphone from ELGATO. I forgot to show you 2 things that I only saw now. To open the microphone, you'll need a torque screwdriver with a very small tip here on the base. And the connections on the back, as we already seen on the box, here we have a USB Type-C to connect to the computer and a 3.5mm jack to connect the headphones. This was another video about the microphone ELGATO Wave 3, but there will be more videos about this microphone. I will cover everything about this equipment, from the unboxing, seeing what comes in the box, demonstrating how it works, how to connect, audio quality tests, comparisons with other microphones, review and opinion, to get to know everything about this microphone so you can decide if this is the best microphone for you, because the price is high. And in case you haven't noticed, this video is being recorded with the ELGATO Wave 3. Now, subscribe to the channel because I post new videos every week, hit the like button, and if you have any questions about this microphone, write in the comments.